elections. If your buddy asks, you better give him directions to the contract. As a matter of fact,
Hello guys, how are you doing today? Thank you for coming back into the channel. On today's video, we're gonna talk about an important update that the Shiryo team dropped us at the morning on Twitter. And this is something that I believe that is really relevant right now because a lot of investors are really anxious about the conditions of the market. They're actually seeing that everything's on red right now. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba, Shiryo, Shuna, Kishimoto, all the coins are actually on red right now. And they're really anxious because they feel that maybe the marketing is not taking the correct traction that we were expecting. But I mean, this is something really that the team already are tackling right now, and they gave us this amazing update because the only thing that we can do right now is for the team to actually deliver the amazing things that they are preparing for in the next weeks. So, and what I'm talking about, if you're actually following Shiryo official on Twitter, you will notice that they dropped this amazing announcement a couple of hours ago. And they are saying, we understand that there has been a lot of questions regarding marketing lately, and we have a very exciting update regarding this matter. But first thing first, we have been building a brand new website which has been optimized for advertising strategies. I don't know if you actually know about website development or just marketing in general, but you have to actually optimize the website so you have the most of the marketing. For example, search engine optimization, metrics, key indicators, Google Ads, etc., etc. So you have to place something on the code if you want to actually take the best on basically they make the most of their marketing of what the team is dropping right now. So they are doing that right now. And for the sake of transparency, it's taken a little longer than expected, but we want the website live before we hit marketing hard, as we believe it is necessary it is a necessary upgrade. And I mean that totally makes sense because imagine that they put all the millions in marketing right now and they start pushing the marketing hard and we don't have an updated website or white paper. I mean, what sense does it make to push the old website? Because obviously you will not gain the most holders. You won't actually optimize the marketing to the maximum potential. So they are doing this. They know that they have to drop this. And the next question that you will be asking, well, when this website is going to be dropped? So they answered that question in the next paragraph. Our new website is scheduled to be live in 2 weeks along with our updated roadmap. That is correct. We are going to get an updated roadmap, and that is something really amazing. We are extending our YouTube partnerships in time for a new website launch and the coming weeks afterwards. So meaning I expect, I don't know, maybe we will get Scott Kerman back, Your Pop, Zach Humphries, Austin Hilton. So they are lining up these amazing YouTubers. I hope that they contact us as well, since that we are the most loyal for the Shiryo community on YouTube. But whatever, I mean, whatever is best for talking. We will also be onboarding the award-winning Luna PR agency, and that is something really amazing because the clients that they have worked with, they are, for example, Binance, eToro, and Huobi. Binance, it is everywhere. I mean, if you don't know Binance, you have been living in a cave in the last, I don't know, 10 years. eToro, I don't blame you. I mean, eToro is really big in India and in Mexico, so it is more focused for that kind of market. And Huobi, well, I don't use Huobi, but I mean, it is amazing. I have heard of it, and basically they are doing amazing stuff. So the team are already onboarded the Luna PR agency, and they are going to collaborate with Shiryo to help us push Shiryo to every corner on the internet and help us deliver the highest quality marketing possible. So there's your answer. What they are doing with marketing right now, they are updating the website, they are updating the white paper, they already are onboarding the YouTubers for us to be shielding the project. As well, they are already hired this amazing PR agency exclusively for Shiryo. So that is the answer for marketing. Be patient, relax. Obviously, you are really anxious right now because of the condition of the market. And talking about that, let's take a look of what is Bitcoin doing right now, because I mean that is something really important. And you know that is on this channel we like to take a look at Bitcoin and see how Shiryo is reacting, because Bitcoin is the one that leads the market. So Bitcoin is actually trying to hold right now the bull market support band. But what if we take a look to the daily chart? It is actually looking really well. It is actually looking better. It seems that we are on the green right now. now, and that is something really good. Hopefully we can continue on the green the next hours of days, so we can continue the bull run. But what are the options that we have right now? We talked about this in the past. So option number one is that we have, that is the best, the most bull option in my opinion. It is that we go up, we actually retrace like we are doing right now, and then we bounce on the bull market support band and we finally start going up. That is option A. And what about option B? So option B, it is almost the same. We retrace here a little bit. We don't hold the bull market support band. We bounce here a little bit, and then later on we break up to the finally the bull run. So that is option B. Let me change the color so it is a little bit clear for you. It is more clear for you. And what is option C? That nobody wants to actually take a look to option C, but it's something that we have to discuss. Option C is that we go up, we actually go down, we try again, we get rejected, and we retrace to the 38,000 level or something close to that. So obviously nobody wants that option, but it's something that we need to discuss. Right now, I'm seeing the strong possibility to be between A and option B. That is the blue and the orange option. So hopefully we can see that option playing out. Hopefully it is option A. So please be patient. The whole market, it is on that condition right now because they are reacting of what are the global conditions that are happening right now. We have the new COVID string, we have the Bitcoin conference, we have the F2 peer Chinese mining company selling Bitcoin, but everything's holding. Actually the people are holding the line, and we're seeing that right now on the daily chart and on the 4-hour charts, and I'm actually really excited about that. So please be patient. There's nothing to do right now, and just don't take a look at the chart right now and just hold your beer and relax at the moment. So what is going on with Shiryo? As we already mentioned here in the past, I mean, I can tell you where we draw this bottom line, but I can say that it's almost at the beginning of the channel, when I started making videos, that this line, it is holding like a very, very strong support right now. And we actually are seeing that right now. We hit the support right here. We bounce like a basketball, and we're going upwards again. Well, obviously we are following Bitcoin here, but hopefully as well we can see that Bitcoin is gonna recover, and we can see more investors getting into Shiryo, and we will see the next run to the upper side. We have this resistance at 22,000 to 2200 level, and let's see what is going on right there. So that is the update that I have for you right now regarding the marketing and the state of the market. I hope that you like it, but please keep yourself informed. I hope that I see you on the next video, and talk to you later, bro.
On the Shiriyo rocket, we pocket reflections, mint avatars to add to our collections.